This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as some of you guys know, I tried out the Makartt green polygel kit and the pink polygel kit. So in today's video, I wanted to try out the Makartt Blue Polygel kit. So let's open it up and see what we get. As you guys can see, it's pretty much like the other kits. They're keeping this whole aesthetic of the color. So everything in this kit is blue. And this is everything that you get in this kit. You get 4 tubes of polygel, gel base coat, gel top coat, nail surface cleaner that doubles as the slip solution. You get the brush and picker tool that has the brush on one end and the spatula on the other, a nail file, dual forms. And as you guys know, I have a hate relationship with dual forms. I really don't like them all that much because the nails just don't come out as perfect. But if you guys want to see how I use them, I did use these in the pink polygel kit video, so I will link that down below. And of course, you have the instructions. This booklet tells you step by step on how to do the polygel nails with dual forms and with regular nail forms. It even tells you how to take them off. So if you have any questions, definitely check out the instruction manual. So these are the tubes. They are pretty tiny. They are 15 grams, which is about half an ounce. Let's do some color swatches. This is the clear. This is the light blue color. This one is a medium blue color. And this one is the darkest blue. And I really love this color. So these are the colors side by side. When I was doing the swatches, I thought these two looked too close, but they are different in shades. So, you know, you can still work with that. So these are my natural nails. I'm going to be doing my nail prep as usual. First, I'm just going to take my nail clipper and clip off my natural free edge. I don't really like my nails to show through, but if you don't want to cut your nails, you don't have to. Next, I'm just going to file my free edge so everything is nice and smooth. Then I'm taking my cuticle pusher and I'm just going to push back my cuticles. And I use the opposite end to scrape up any of that dead skin on the nail plate. And then finally, I'm gonna go in with my e-file and my cuticle clean bit and work that around the cuticle areas to further get up any of that dead skin. Next, I'm going to apply my nail tips using the Kiss brush on nail glue. I'm actually trying out these nail tips, so they are not available yet, but I will leave a link down below to some nail tips that I recommend. So I have been loving the stiletto shape lately. If you guys didn't check out the video on these nails, I used the Kiara Sky 2-in-1 dip powder. It was pretty cool. Go check that out. I'll leave a link down below. But yes, I switched up the shape of my nails. You guys know that I love coffin, but I tried stiletto out last week and I'm just in love. So I'm gonna do that shape again. And what I like to do first is just cut the size of the tips just to kind of help me with shaping. And then I'm just gonna use the hand file to shape the nails. I like to use my rectangle hand file when shaping. It just makes everything easier for me. So after getting the tips shaped, I'm just gonna take the shine away from the tips and also blend them in with my natural nails. So I get a few comments from people saying that their polygel nails pop off or they don't last as long. And these polygel kits do not come with a dehydrator and primer. If you are having problems with your polygel not lasting or not sticking to your nails, I definitely recommend this. I use the Mia Secret nail prep and primer. They work very well for me. I haven't experienced any lifting and they're pretty affordable. So I'll leave links to these down below. But first I apply the nail prep, which is like a dehydrator. And then I go in with the primer. So after that, I'm gonna go in with a gel base coat and apply this to my nails. I mainly focus on my natural nails, but if it gets on the tip, it's okay. And then I go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in my nail lamp. Next, I'm taking the nail surface cleaner that is going to be my slip solution. And I just thought it was so cute. It kind of goes with my whole blue crystal dampen dish here. If you guys are interested in this dampen dish, I'll leave the link to the website down below. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some slip solution into my dampen dish, but you can use the inside of the cap if you want, you know, but I'm fancy, so. All right, so then I'm just gonna squeeze out some of this light blue polygel, and I'm gonna do this whole finger with this color because it's just so pretty. But yeah, once I squeeze out the polygel, I just dip my brush into the slip solution, dap it off on my paper towel, and just pat everything in place. So once I get it all shaped and in place the way that I like, I went ahead and cured that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. Moving on to the next nail, I want to do some color blocking. So I'm starting off with this gorgeous royal blue polygel. I just love this color, y'all. It is so pretty. But I'm just going to put that towards the cuticle area and tap that in place. And then I'm going for like a little slant here and just, you know, pull this into the shape that I want. I must say that this polygel wasn't as sticky as some of the other ones, so I do like the formulation of the blue. I'm not sure if it has something to do with, you know, the pigment or whatever, but the polygel wasn't like super sticky. So I went ahead and cured that in the nail lamp, and then I'm gonna take the nail file and file the edge of this. I want it to be super crisp. So after filing, I'm just gonna wipe it with some of that nail surface cleaner just to get the dust off. And then I'm gonna go in with my second color, which is this light blue. And I'm gonna press that right up against the edge of the dark blue and just pat that into shape. Once I like that shape, I went ahead and cured that, and then also filing the edge of that as well. So of course, I'm gonna use some glitter. These are my two favorite glitters from Kiara Sky. I use these all the time. They go with everything. I was gonna use both of these, but I like this one better because it has kind of a blue iridescent kind of shine to it, where the other one is more purple. So I'm going with this one, and this glitter is called Halo, and I will leave the link down below along with my coupon code if you guys are interested. All right, so I put some gel base coat on, and then I'm just going to tap the glitter into that wet gel. And then I went in with more of the base gel because I just needed a little bit more so the glitter can kind of really pack on. So after cleaning the glitter off the sides and wiping off any that got on the blue areas, I just went ahead and cured that in my nail lamp. And then I'm gonna encapsulate with the clear polygel. Now some people always ask me like, what clear polygel do you use? It's the Makartt Clear, and it came in this kit. So most of these kits do come with the clear polygel. So once I make sure to cap all of that glitter, I just go ahead and cure that in my nail lamp. As you guys can see, the nail is pretty flat. So I'm gonna build up the structure of the nail using more of that clear polygel. And once that is to my liking, I went ahead and cured that in my nail lamp. So for my middle finger, I did that medium blue color, and then for my thumb, I did that deep blue color. And oh my God, I just love this deep blue. It is so pretty. So for my index fingernail, I want to do some more color blocking. So I'm starting off with that dark blue at the tip, and I'm just going to, you know, shape that and repeat the same steps that I did for the ring fingernail. So while I'm doing that, I just want to tell you guys that a new video has dropped on our vlog channel, Evie and Marcus. My husband surprised me with an early birthday gift and I was just like blown away. Like, he is such a sweetheart. But if you guys want to check that out, I will leave a link down below. Alright, so this is after all of the polygel is laid and cured. And now I'm going to take some of that nail surface cleaner, put it on my paper towel, and wipe down the nails. Polygel does leave a tacky layer, so you want to make sure to wipe this off before you start to file. Otherwise, all this sticky stuff is going to get in your nail file and it's not going to be good. Alright, so now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. And what I like about polygel is that it's really easy to file, so you don't have to go overboard. And I did all the filing with the nail file. So after doing the shaping and filing with the nail file, like I stated, I just used the nail file. I did not use the nail drill this time. Now I'm just going to go in with my buffer. This is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed, and oh my god, I just love how these turned out, the shape and the colors. Whew, I'm not even done yet. Alright, so of course, Evie is gonna add some bling. I got these from Amazon. I'll be sure to leave the link down below. When I'm working with the more chunkier crystals, I like to plan out how I'm gonna put them on before I do, just so, you know, I have a game plan, you know. So, of course, I'm gonna use my favorite bling combination, which is the Poochie Snails Bling Gel and Top Coat. So, taking some of that bling gel, and yes, I do have a crystal in there. I'm just gonna apply some of that bling gel to my nail. And then without curing, I'm just gonna apply the top coat on top and then place my crystals into the wet gel. Next, I'm just going to take some alcohol and a gel brush and lightly clean off the crystals just to make sure no gel or anything is on there. And then I went ahead and cured that in my nail lamp. And then I'm just going to apply the top coat to the rest of the nails. I am using the Poochie Snails gel top coat. This is my absolute favorite. Now, I have tried Makartt's top coat and it does work, but I love this top coat. It is my favorite. I love that it's so thick and glossy, and this is just my favorite. So I used it for this set. So then I do my final cure in the nail lamp for 60 seconds. After that, I'm just gonna go in with some cuticle oil. And here is the final look. I love how these turned out. At first, I had no clue what I was gonna do with blue, As you guys know, this is not a color that I use often, but I love how these turned out. And as far as the polygel, like I was saying, I like the consistency of this polygel. It wasn't as sticky as some of the others, so I guess it must have something to do with the blue pigment. I don't know, but it was really easy to work with. And I just love how they look in the sunlight, like, oh, just to die for. So if you guys are interested, I will leave some links down below. I also have a coupon code for Makartt website to save y'all some coins. I hope this nail tutorial was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.
This is the outro to the long hair pretty nail show. Yeah.